Hello everyone, this is Balkrishna, and today we'll understand or today we'll see one important question, that is tell me about yourself. So this is a very basic question. If you are sitting for an interview, they will ask you the first question, that introduce yourself or tell me about yourself. Okay, so in this video, we'll see step by step format as a fresher engineer or your experience also. Okay, we'll see the steps. Okay, which steps we need to follow and systematically how to answer this question, because this is your first question. So first impression required to be best. Okay, so let's start. So first, so step one. Step one is what? Step one is opening line. Name plus degree plus core interest. Okay. So when we are introducing the step one, okay, we'll use these three things to introduce. So first, the format you can say. First, we are introducing like our name, okay, then degree, okay, degree, diploma, whatever you have. And third is like we are attaching the core interest. Okay. So core interest, your interest will be in design, manufacturing, right? Quality, maintenance, supply chain, whatever, sales. Okay. So if you see the example here, basic example. So I'll introduce myself, right? So hi, I am Rahul Patil, or hi, I am Balkrishna. Okay. Then I have a like degree you can explain, right? A BE mechanical engineer from the college name. You can explain your college name here. Okay. In 2025, that is a pass out year. Okay. And then you can say like I'm interested in mechanical design. Your core interest here where you are explaining and automotive product development. Okay. So simple example or simple first line you can say that I am hi, I am Balkrishna. Okay. And I have a degree in BE mechanical engineering or automobile engineering. Okay. And I passed out from the ABC College in 2025. And then you can explain that I'm interested in mechanical design and automotive product design, or I'm interested in production, quality. Okay, like that, you can explain. That is your first line. That's the step one. Then moving towards the step two. So in the step two, what we are going to see that one line strengths. Okay, two to three strengths only. Okay. So next in the step two, we are going to explain our strength two to three only. So in the format, you can see my strengths are strength one, strength two, and strength three, which I built through academics and projects. Okay. Simple line you can say that my strengths are problem solving, basic clarity, and quick learn, which I developed through projects and hands-on practice or academics. Okay, simple sentence you can form here. Only two to three strengths we are going to add here. Problem solving, it is a common. Okay. Then basic clarity, that is also you can add, and quick learn. Okay. Simple. So this is your step two. Simple one line strengths. We are going to add two to three strengths in this line. Okay. Then moving towards the step three. So in the step three, we are going to explain our projects. Okay. So whatever project we completed in academics or in your experience, right? So in the third step, we are going to explain our projects. Okay. So here we are going to use the format of star. Okay. So star format means what? When you are explaining the any answer or giving any answer, we are using the star format. So in the star format, first project title will explain. That is a very basic thing. You can add like my final year project was on design and analysis of automotive suspension system. Okay, that is your project title, basic, and then you can explain your tool, sorry, your role. What was your role in that project? Okay, so you can explain that I handled the CAD model and did basic analysis for stress deflection. That was your role in the project. First, title of the project, then what was your role, and then next is outcome. Okay, what was the outcome of your project? that you can explain that I optimized setup. The optimized setup showed improved performance in our simulations, and I gained strong understanding of design intent and validation basics. Okay, so first project title explain, then your role explain, and then outcome explain. Okay, simple 3 lines you can form in the third step, project explanation, and you can explain like that. Then moving toward the step 4. So in the step 4, we are going to showcase or we can tell the skills. Okay, relevant technical plus tools plus basics. Okay, so in the skills sections, we'll add, here you can see the format. Technically, I am comfortable with the CAD, CAM, C, whatever. Then I am strong in fundamentals like your subjects you can add, production, quality, right? Uh, Strength of materials, right? The drawing, machine design, like that, GD&T basics. Okay. So skills, basically, you can add like this. I'm comfortable with CATIA or solid CAD modeling, and I have good fundamentals in your subjects like strength of material, production, manufacturing, like that. You can add simply engineering drawing, right? That is your basic line you can form for the skills. 1 line. Okay. So this is also very simple. You can form as per your requirement. Then in the step 5. So in the step 5, you can see here why this role be required or why this role I'm interested. Okay. So here you can see the clear intention we need to explain why I'm interested in this role. Let's suppose you are applying for the GET role. Okay. So why you are interested in this role? Okay. GET for production, GET for design, right? GET for sales, GET for any department, right? So here I'm looking for a fresher role because you are a fresher or your experience. You can replace that with the experience. That I am now looking for a fresher role or experience role that I want to contribute in specific that role and grow in learning path. You can add your learning path. So example, if you see, I am now looking for design engineering fresher role where I can work on CAD modeling and 2D drawings, okay, and product development task and grow into core automotive design responsibilities. So here you need to study about the company also, study about the job description, and as per that also you can modify this. Okay, so that is also simple answer you can form. Okay, that 2 lines. Okay, why this role and why this company we are interested. So research about company and you can write down. Okay, so you are interested for production engineer, you are interested for quality, you can write down like I'm now looking for the quality engineer role where I can work on part checking, whatever, like quality roles, right? Production, machine handling, right? Programming, you can write down like that. And then you can extra, like I want to grow into the core automotive design responsibilities, or I want to grow into the production engineer role, or I want to contribute in company's sales, right? Quality, whatever these things, you can write down properly. Then in the steps 6 is the closing. Okay, we are not going to lengthen this answer. Okay, so you can see that's a quick summary, right? That's a quick summary. I will be happy to share more about my project work based on your requirement. Okay, so this is the same. You can see copy. So that's a quick overview of myself. Okay, so I'll be happy to explain my project's approach or my CAD work in more detail. So here, you can replace, like if you are not applying for design, you can replace with the other departments. Okay, that's your closing statement. You can form as per your requirement. Okay, so final answer within 60 seconds to 70 seconds. Okay, you can form with like more than 1 minute. We are not going more than 1 minute. Okay, try to limit to the under 1 minute. Okay, so step by step we can see here. First step is your introduction. Like I am Rahul Patil, BE Mechanical Engineer from ABC College 2025. Then I am interested in mechanical design. and product development. Okay. Then third line, my strengths are problem solving, quick learning, and attention to detail. Then in the fifth, in my final year project we are explaining, I work on DNA analysis of automotive suspension system. You can replace your project. Then what was your role? I created a CAD model in CATIA and supported the team with the basic analysis and documentation. Okay. And then outcome, like what was the outcome of that project. So I created the CAD model CATIA and supported the team with the basic analysis. The project strengthened my understanding and design intent. Okay, validation of basic that you can explain. And then the next step is technically I am compatible with the CATIA part design, assembly, drafting, and I have good fundamentals in strength of materials, subjects you can add, manufacturing, engineering, and drawing. And then closing statement that I am looking for fresher design engineer role where I can contribute in CAD modeling and detailing. Okay. And I'll happy to share more details as per the role. Okay. So this complete format. Okay. You can step 1 to step 6. Okay. You can modify as per the job role. Okay. As your fresher experience, and you can use this format. It is a very simple answer you can give. Here we are introducing ourselves, then strength, then our project, then skills, okay, and then your interest, okay, your intention, why you want to be in that company, okay, and the closing statement. So these all the steps you can practice very easily, and every time as per the job role, understand the job description every time and modify this later, and you can introduce, because this is the first impression of yourself, right? This is the first question. So first, properly if you are answering this, that will be very good.